it's me, Toby, on Doughboys 2088. Hello, it's me, hello. Jackson, and we have Darryl. And we have another guest. Her name's Demi. Anyways, guys, today we are going to be on Darryl's farm, which is his house. That's where we are sitting right now. And we are going to be doing farm life videos. And it's not just going to be that. At the end, there's going to be some flips and tricks on their cool trampoline setup. Okay, so let's get into today's video. This is the rather annoying farm dog who won't stop sniffing my leg. Stop it, Alfie. This is Gloria, the farm cat.
Hello, farm cat Gloria.
Is he going to explode?
This is the cat and dog sharing a lovely moment with each other.
Nick minute.
This.
We got a horsey. We got a pony. That's a horse trailer. And that's a quad. Look at the quad. This is an amazing Julie that Darryl owns. There's a ride-on mower that's used frequently. This is Darryl's dad, Steve-O. This is the whippersnipper. We got apple trees. We got a garden.
We got one egg from the chickens. Clucky, that's what we call when they won't get off the nest and they do that. And he might try and peck you now that I've done that. She and he.
Here's a ram.
Boy sheep.
There are more chickens.
Those are the calves.
The calves. And those are sheepies with lambs. This is Dad's shed. But who's really inside the shed? We got a homemade caravan over here. Look, there are lammies. Look at the lammies. Baby lammies. Cute little baby lammies. Is this electric fence active?
Yes. Here to this science experiment, I am going to see if it goes through jumper. Oh, this is a bit nervous, isn't it? Oh, boy, do you want me to put you on the electric fence?
Do it.
Bloody hell. You want me to put my bare hand on that? Oh my god, look at this!
I think it goes through the jumper.
Yeah, it does!
Good old Baz of the Bloody Legend, he's a cow. Go cows.
Yeah, last night we slept out here because there wasn't enough room inside. That's where Toby and Jackson slept. Then I slept in there. Yeah, and now go feed the animals. First of all, I'm going to feed Barry, Barry.
The cow over there.
The big bull.
And in case you hadn't noticed, Jackson's left us to play on the trampoline with Demi. Here's Bazagaza. How are you, Bazagaza? Darryl's got more hay over there for you, Bazagaza. Real name's Barry, but like, Bazagaza's better. So we're feeding BJ at the moment. Here's BJ, the big horsey. And Sarah Bear, the tiny pony. But only BJ's getting a feed today. Sucks to be you, Sarah Bear.
Already fed it, halved in. They eat this, then he'll pop them in the ear, gives that time to grow back, and then he'll pop them back in, and then like even it out.
Keep going like that. Yeah. Let's give him some hay. Okay, so Darryl, he sells sticks on the farm. He sells them for $15 a box. And this is how he makes a stick.
Just cut them, I guess. We have these old fence palings that people bring in, or we got. Dad cuts them out that size, about, I don't know how long that is. And then I cut them into little bits and then box them up into those boxes up there.
The firewood.
Yeah.
His older sister Piper also gets all the horse poo and bags them up and sells it for $2 a bag because people put it in their garden to grow stuff. I personally just find it weird. So this is my favourite part of the video. Flips. And tricks. There is a trampoline here. Let's get going. Let's get it on.
So with this trick here, you grab onto the bamboo, and when you grab onto it, pretty much, I'll just show you. So, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely leave it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.